Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's today again draw graphics. Enjoy it. Okay, let's see. Let's see where we were. Last time we did treasure hunting game 2 and played on a grid, 2-dimensional. Let's see it. And the homework was when done, right, found at round X. So pretty easy. Okay, so let's open the code, connect, and run it. So it was like you are at the position y pos xy, and treasure was at t pos xy. And treasure position is unknown, and you start from the center. Okay, and depending on the information about distance to treasure, you decide which way to go. Okay, so let's run it and see. So distance is 7. Okay, let's go east. Oh, sorry, east. Okay, distance is shorter, 6. So fine, good news. Okay, going all the way east to the east. It's big again. So maybe to north. No, it's not a good position. So go west and south, south, south. Bingo. Okay, good. So good. So treasure was at 9, 8. Maybe I don't need to explain that. So because the size was 9 by 9, it was like okay. It was like 9 by 9. And yeah, the treasure was somewhere here. We start here and go down here. Today, we're going to visualize this. Okay, let's see. Anyway, homework. When done, right, found around X. So it's pretty easy. Maybe we have this I number. Maybe we can start from 1 so that it's easier to follow. So for example, 1 is okay, maybe in round I. This will do. And also maybe I can write I here so that we can always know which round we are in. So let's start again. In my case, 1. First guess is south. Second guess is east. Okay, north, west, north, north, west, 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 south. Okay, good. Down the treasure was a tuple in found. Okay, maybe I can write that found in, so something like that. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, let's go on to today's part. So today's title, lesson 35, turtle's treasure hunting. So let the turtle hunt for the treasure, turtle graphics turtle. Okay, let's do that. So initialize the canvas. So to do that, okay, let's go back to the code, and maybe we can make an extra box here to write its turtle treasure hunt. Okay, something like that. Okay, so as usual, we will do the initialization for ColabTurtle. So okay, in the meantime, the initialize the canvas as this. Okay, so in the beginning, maybe I will copy this. I will put this in the description box, so please copy it. And then maybe we can start like background color, white, and pen color, blue. Okay. This time with maybe with this a little thicker. So how about 8? Okay, let's do it. Let's do and the initialize turtle. This means 5 is speed. Maybe we can have it slower. And 300 by 300 is the size of the canvas. So let's see, where are we? To check, you know how to do this. So let's see. So let's see the central position. Okay. Not pen, but pen color. Sorry. Okay. So initialize. And then, okay. If we initialize the canvas to be 300 by 300, we are at the center, 150 by 150. Okay, now we know that, so we don't need it anymore. Okay. So what's next? Maybe one more additional information is that I forgot to pen up. Okay, then what's next? Reuse the previous hunting code. Yeah, let's try to copy from the previous hunting code here, maybe including random. Okay, let's just anyway copy everything and then use some part of it. Okay, paste here. So what can we use again? And then size and equals. Maybe we will start from a very small start, like 5. So 1 to 5, and we start from the center. And okay, distance is the same. So here, the point is, okay, the point is, okay, how do we do on it? So maybe at each position, we put the turtle at let's first put the turtle at, so I don't need to pen up because we'll start. So the position of the turtle should be, let's see, okay. So we should decide the cell size as, say, 50. Okay, cell size to be 50. And let's see how this work. So y post x times 50. No, SS. U post y times SS. Okay, let's check the position of the turtle. Okay. Okay. I see. Bad news is that Okay, we are exactly the correct position, 150 by 150. And then this is too long. So maybe we can write as what is better? Let's write this one in another box. And then very short box will do. How about this? Okay, that's one thing. And then we'll move. If E is given, maybe in that case, we use set heading to east. So set H0. Okay. In case, and then move forward by SS. Okay. So in case of W, set heading 180 because of on the reverse side. In case of south, it's like 90 because it's clockwise. Okay. So the heading direction is like this is 0, south is 90, west is 180, and north is 270 or minus 90. Okay, let's do that. So if it's north, T set H, let's write it minus 90. Okay, let's see if it's wrong. Yeah, if it's how it works. Okay, so the distance is 3. Okay, we can go, for example, north. Good. It worked correctly. It walked toward north by one segment. Okay, let's write W, west. Good. South. Good. South again. It's working. Good news is that it's working. So what we should do next is to go out for hunting. So let's see, the distance is 4, so maybe east again. East again. And east again. It's wrong. So maybe north. Okay, good. And west. Good, good. Approaching. And north. Done. The treasure was at 5-2, found at 11, round 12. Good. So we did it. We were able to visualize the path of the turtle correctly. And it seems the visualization is working well. Okay, maybe we need some improvements, but we will do that next time. So for example, okay, homework, use different colors depending on the direction. For example, going vertically, use paint in blue when going vertically and paint, say, green when going horizontally. One additional homework is paint the turtle to red when you are done with the hunting. Okay, So I hope you like this. That's all for today. So be sure to come back next time. Bye bye.